subject maths, chapter 3, chapter name decimals, and now we are going to study about their introduction of chapter decimal. So today we discuss introduction about decimal chapter. So first, the definitions of decimals. What is decimals? The number expressed in decimal form are called decimals. The number expressed in decimal form. What is like 6.8, 16.73. After this decimal, we read one digit. We cannot read it 73. We read 16.73. Okay, students. Here we read 7.364, 0.053, etc. These are the example of decimals. So, students, a decimal has two parts. Okay, first is called whole number part, and second is called decimal part. See example of 7.364. This 7 is a whole number part, and after decimal 364 this is called decimal part. Okay, students. Now we will discuss some examples from exercise 3A. Okay. Okay, students. Now we will discuss exercise 3A. Question number first. Convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. So we have to convert this decimal into fraction. So how we convert? Here is a decimal. So in place of decimal, like this, in a rough I am explaining, we erase the decimal, means we remove the decimal and put here 1, and the decimal is erased. Now after that, 8 only one digit, so we put here 0. So same as in place of 0.8, we write 0.8 is equal to 8 upon 10. Decimal we remove and put 1. After that, number of digit we put the 0. Here is only one digit 8, so we put 1 0. After that, we cut it. So 8 and 2 both are divisible by 2. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. So the answer is 4 upon 5. Okay, students. Now question number 2. 0.75. So students, we write like this. 0.75 is equal to 75 upon 100. Because this decimal below we write 1, and this decimal remove after that 1 2. So we put 2 0. Now these are divisible by directly 25. 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. So answer is 3 upon 4. Now students, question number 3. 0.06 is equal to 0.06 upon 100. Okay, students. Means this 0 has also no meaning. Now 6 upon 100. So it is by 2 it become 3, and by 2 it become 50. So we write 3 upon 50 in its simplest form. Now question number 4. 0.285. This become 280. So here in my next solution, 0.285 is equal to 285 upon 1000. Because this point below we put 1, and after that 1 2 3 digit 2, so we put 3 zeros, so it become 1000. Now by 5 this become 5 7 57, and by 5 this become 200. So we write in the simplest form 57 upon 200. Okay, students. Now we will discuss question number 2. Okay, students. Now we will discuss question number 2. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. So there are two methods through which we can convert this into a mixed fraction. The first is 5.6 is equal to 56. We remove the decimal and we don't put for decimal 1, and after 1 digit so we put 1 0. So students, after that we do what? We cut it by 2. So this become 28 and this become 5. So it become 28 upon 5. Now we divide this. So we divide 28 by 5 in the rough. 5 5s are 25. 3 remainder. So it becomes 5 integer 3 upon 5. Okay students, this is your method first. Now here I am going to explain you method 2. You can use any one, method 1 or method 2. So here is 5.6. So we write directly 5 integer and this 0.6. After point there is only one digit. So we write 6 upon 10. Means we write whole number part as an integer and decimal part as a fraction. Understood? Whole number part as an integer and decimal part as a fraction. Now we cut it. By 2 this become 3 and by 2 this become 5. So it become 5 integer 3 upon 5. You can use any one as you wish. Okay students? Now note down. Now we will discuss question number 2. So students, this become 12.25 is equal to 1225. You remove the decimal and for point we put 1 and after that 1 to 2 digits so we put 20. Okay students, now we cut it by 25. So by 25 we cut. So this become 4 and 9 and this become 5. We divide C here. I am going to divide it by 25. By 25, 4 ja 100, 2 and this 5 will carry 25 9 ja 225. So this become 49 and by 25 this become 4. Not 5, this become 4. So we write 25 for the 100. So we write it as a 49 upon 4. Now we divide 49 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Now this 9 will carry 4 2 ja 8. 9 minus 8 1. So we write 12 integer 1 upon 4. This is your first method. Okay students. Now in second method what we do? 12.25. Okay students. So what I said, we write whole number part as an integer. So here we write 12 as an integer and 25 decimal part as a fraction. So 25 upon 100. Okay students, is it clear? Now 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. So this also become 12 integer 1 upon 4. Okay students, now you note down this. See question number 3. Here, question number 3, 6.004. Okay, students. Is it clear? So here I write 6.004 is equal to 6,004 upon 1,000. Okay students, now is it clear? So by 4 we can cut this. By 4 this become 1501 and this become 250. So we write 1501 upon 250 and now we divide it. So see here I am going to divide 250 1501 by 250. So 256 1500 remainder 51. So this gives what? 6 integer. This 6 is an integer. 1 upon this remainder upon 250. Remove this rough. Now students see second method. 6.004 is equal to 6 and this decimal part as a fraction. So we write 004 upon 1000 because after point we put 10 and 1 2 3 digits, so we have to create 3 zeros. Okay students, now this 0 has no meaning. So 4 1 ja 4 and by 4 it become 250. So students we write 6 integer 1 upon 250. Okay students, now question number 2 of 4 is your homework. Now we will discuss question number 3. Okay students, let's see question number 3. Convert each of the following into decimal. So it is easy when the denominator is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, means 1 and 0 0, then it is very easy. See how here is a 1 0. So 1 0, this 1 digit will means compare with, and after that 1, so we put here decimal. So students we write it as a 4.7. Or see, if we convert 4.7, then it becomes 47 upon 10. Means this is opposite reverse method. So same as here it become what? 2 zeros. 1 2. We count 1 2. After that we put the decimal. So you put right here 156 1 2. Here we put decimal. Same as students here. How many zeros? 2 1 2. So here we write first of all 12516 upon 100 is equal to 2516 and we count zeros 1 2. So we count here 1 2 and after that we put decimal. Same as students here also we write 3524 and below how many zeros? 1 2 3. So we count 1 2 3 and put here decimal 3.524. Now students we will see question number 5. 25 upon 8. Now what happens? We have to divide it. 25 upon 8. We will divide 25 by 8 in a rough. 8 3s are 24. Remainder 1. Here will be 0. 8 1s are 8. Here will be 2. Now we put here 0. Now 8 2s are 16. We can carry 0, only 1 0 at each step. If we carry double 0, then we have to put here also 1 0. Now we carry 1 0. 8 5s are 40. Get terminated means finished. So we write here 3.125 and we remove this division. Okay students, now question number 6. by 5. So students, if I write free integer 2 by 5, then we will convert into improper fraction. So 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5. Now students, we divide 17 by 5. So it becomes 5 3s are 15. 2, now we put 0 here decimal, and 5 4s are 20. So students, this become what? 3.4. Other left question in this question number 7 and 8 is your homework. Okay, thank you. We will discuss tomorrow the like fraction and like decimal and unlike decimal. Okay students, thank you.